BlackBerry, which once dominated the world, vanished from the market in just a few years. Why did the king of the business world lose its luster? By 2009, it sold 90 million units with a market capitalization exceeding $80 billion. Yet that brilliance faded rapidly. Hidden within this dramatic fall were structural failures common to modern corporations. What was the overlooked truth lurking behind its success? In this video, we uncover why success became the seed of its downfall, who overlooked what, and what lessons it holds for modern business. Now, let us delve into the full scope of BlackBerry's collapse. The main feature further elaborates on why they continued to resist until the very end. In the early 2000s, a BlackBerry was indispensable in every business professional's pocket. It was more than just a mobile phone. Its iconic QWERTY keyboard enabled rapid email composition, making a mobile office a reality. Robust security and a proprietary server infrastructure earned immense trust from government agencies and large corporations. BlackBerry Internet Service, BIS, and BBM, BlackBerry Messenger, offered a new value: constant connectivity. From President Obama to heads of state and celebrities worldwide, all enthusiastically used BlackBerry, elevating its status to its peak. By 2009, it had captured over 50% market share in North America. It was truly synonymous with business mobile. Its developer, Research in Motion, or RIM, made a name for itself globally as a Canadian tech giant. Its innovation and market dominance instilled in them unshakable confidence and the conviction that we are not wrong. BlackBerry carved out a niche market for mobile productivity between PCs and mobile phones. Its groundbreaking data compression technology for its time allowed smooth email sending and receiving even in slow connection environments. Another significant factor was that companies could install BlackBerry Enterprise Server, BES, on their own servers, utilizing it as a secure internal network. The widespread adoption of BBM created a strong lock-in effect within the BlackBerry ecosystem, making it difficult for competitors to follow. In an era when touch panels were still immature, the physical keyboard offered unparalleled input accuracy and speed. Its reliability as a business tool and its value as a status symbol established a powerful brand image. These elements functioned in combination, solidifying BlackBerry's position as the undisputed king of mobile business. However, at the foot of this unshakable throne, a wave of change was quietly, yet inevitably, approaching. In 2007, Steve Jobs unveiled the iPhone. It was a revolution that overturned the very concept of the mobile phone. BlackBerry's management dismissed the iPhone as a toy. They believed their customers were business professionals, for whom a touch panel was unnecessary. They overlooked that the market was blurring the lines between business and consumer segments, demanding devices that catered to both. They clung to their proprietary QWERTY keyboard as their core strength, hesitating to transition to a full touchscreen. The BlackBerry OS remained outdated, and third-party app development was neglected. They fell behind in building an ecosystem. Delays in decision-making and internal conflicts under the co-CEO structure also hindered innovation. They clung too tightly to their existing customer base and proprietary technological advantages, making them remarkably insensitive to overall market changes. But here, an unnoticed pitfall lay open: the trap of stagnant thinking born from past successes. BlackBerry was trapped by the sunk cost of its past successes, unable to invest in new technologies and market needs. Confirmation bias reinforced their belief that their strategy was correct, causing them to view iPhone's success as an anomaly and continuously underestimate the threat. Calls from the ground, saying a touchscreen is needed, either didn't reach management or were ignored. Information was distorted. A strong corporate culture and past successes fostered groupthink where dissent was difficult, leading them to continually choose risky status quo. As not only Apple but also Google's Android rapidly expanded market share, BlackBerry attempted to stick to its unique path. Its existing organizational structure and operations couldn't keep pace with the rapid market changes, making swift product development and marketing impossible. and the trust and momentum as an innovator, once lost, proved difficult to reclaim. These factors combined, preventing BlackBerry from escaping its trajectory towards self-destruction. In 2011, a massive global outage of BlackBerry services occurred. Users couldn't use email or BBM for days, and trust plummeted. The Playbook tablet, released to counter Apple's iPad, ended in catastrophic failure due to critical feature deficiencies. By 2012, the CoSy resigned, and despite attempts at a comeback under new leadership, it was already too late. Models featuring the proprietary BlackBerry 10 OS launched with much fanfare, but a lack of apps and a too-late release date resulted in a cold market reception. Ultimately, BlackBerry withdrew from in-house device development, shifting its business focus to software and security. The former king, BlackBerry, vanished from the device market, and an era quietly came to an end. BlackBerry's failure serves as a harsh lesson for modern corporations. Past success can be the greatest hindrance. Unless companies constantly perceive market changes sensitively and possess the courage to question even their own strengths, any king will fall without effort. BlackBerry, by clinging to its own strengths and overlooking true market shifts, found its success becoming the seed of its downfall. Management dismissed the iPhone as a toy, misjudging the flow of the times, especially the importance of the consumer market. This failure rings an alarm for all business professionals in the modern age, regardless of company size, regarding the constantly evolving market. To avoid following in BlackBerry's footsteps, we must constantly maintain a forward-looking perspective, unconstrained by past glories. The quality of decision-making differs between those who understand this failure and those who don't. History is the ultimate teacher.